You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 31 over 10 smaller than 31 over 10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 1 over 2 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 31 over 10 smaller than 31 over 10.